Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by prepping the Apple Watch 10 and your phone so data is trustworthy. Charge to at least 50% and put the watch on snugly. Open the fitness app on your iPhone and allow health, motion, and workout permissions so the watch can record properly. Then, set wrist detection, pick your dominant hand, and enter personal metrics like age, weight, and height because these directly affect calorie and heart rate calculations. Next, configure your workouts and sensors so sessions track accurately. Add the specific workout types you use, outdoor run, HIIT, pool swim, or custom intervals, so the watch applies correct algorithms. Make sure heart rate, blood oxygen, and motion calibration are enabled in settings. This refines pace and calorie estimates. Adjust each workout's goals for calories, time, or distance, and decide whether to turn on auto. Now you execute workouts and close the loop. Start the workout on the watch, watch live metrics, and use haptics to feel interval and pace cues so you stay on target. Once done, sync to your iPhone and review trends, activity rings, and the detailed workout summary to track progress over time. If readings look inaccurate, recalibrate with a 20-minute outdoor walk or run, then restart the watch and phone. This fixes many sensor and GPS drift issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.